Hey guys, I'm Jack from GVS. Today, I'm excited to introduce you one of the blockbuster we're introducing to the market in 2025, the KNX Smart Touch S10. Let's get started with the appearance of the S10. It features a 10.1-inch touchscreen and an ultra-thin design and 8.5mm on the surface of the wall. As a central control panel, it's a perfect fit for all luxury, high-end spaces like a villa, like commercial buildings, etc. So for installation, the S10 is equipped with the magnet cubes and metal springs so as to realize a simple, quick, and fast installation. Except from that, the S10 does not need any special junction box at all. Any standard twin German wall box or other types of international standardized junction box will fit. So the installation right now is no longer a pain in the arse. At the same time, it is also resistant to interference and durability. It even supports operation if your hands happen to be inconveniently wet. Moreover, traditional touch screens can develop scratches or fingerprints as time goes by. But for our S10, we do not have this kind of problem thanks to the innovative HVAC CMOS technology applied to the glass. That's also why we are very faithful to define our S10 a high-end KNX control panel with key features like resistant to corrosion, friction, or fingerprint. And when it comes to its functional part, the S10 becomes an almighty KNX central control panel. It supports connection to maximum 240 KNX devices, controlling not only basics like lighting, curtain blinds, HVAC, background music, but also display a wide variety of the data gathered from all different kinds of sensors. A simple example goes to the display of the indoor-outdoor air quality index, energy consumption, etc. Besides, the S10 also plays a role of the indoor monitor of the SIP video intercom system. It can receive calls from different SIP door stations from us, answer it, and open the door for the visitors. Most importantly, this intercom function will be extended not only to GVS SIP door entry system, but also other intercom brands like 2N, like Doorbird. Like the rest of our S-series panels, this S10 can also call to other S-series smart panels like S3, S7, controlled through GVS Smart App and through voice control by connecting to speakers like Google Home, Alexa, Yandex Alice, etc. And the RS-45 ports on the back of the device can also allow expansion on different sorts of functions, which is less KNX but more typically RS-45. A trendy saying nowadays is that no home is ever smart if there's no sensor installed. We, GVS, also practice what we preach in our S10. With a variety of different sensor technologies adopted in our S10, the proximity sensor built-in wakes up the touch panel whenever you approach, and the light sensor built-in enables auto adjustment of the brightness of the screen. The temperature and the humidity sensor built-in detect and send all data to the bus. Combining all other big variety of KNX sensors on the KNX bus, the S10 is capable of collect, display all ambient data, and thereby connects to the KNX control logics, which makes our life healthier and cozier. Well, that's all for the GVS KNX Smart Touch S10, a smart, flexible, innovative KNX touch panel. And if you want to learn more about this product or any other GVS offerings, drop us a line and stay tuned to our channel. Do not forget it, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.